Hey guys, we're here today with Josh Newberger of Pallmann. He's going to be taking us through some of the technical features of the Pallmann Spider. It's a pretty awesome machine. It might be the machine for you. So, Josh, do you want to take us through some of the features of the Pallmann Spider?
No problem, Jordan. Appreciate you having us out here. It's been a great day so far at the open house in Kansas City, and definitely a lot of interest in this machine. This is a newer machine to Pallmann here in the USA. Actually been over in Europe for quite some time. And first thing people say is they say, you know, it looks like another buffer. But quite honestly, this is not a buffer. This is not how we refer to that machine. We really refer to this machine as a sanding machine, start to finish, much like we would with your traditional, big machines and so forth. Yep. A lot of it comes down to the motor that's on here, and also this gearing system. As you can see, we have a chain back here.
Yep.
And this is a Planetary gear system. So as this whole thing turns, these individual plates turn as well.
Okay.
But because of the motor and how powerful it is and the weight of it, it allows us to actually sand the floor start to finish. So we can over wood, we can take off old finish, and it does a very nice job as well.
Wonderful.
The biggest thing too is we also want to make sure we're using the proper sandpaper. We've found that the Norton Red Heat works the best with this paper. We do have a sanding guideline if you choose to use some different sandpapers, and we can walk you through that with any of the textbook manuals. Tipping the machine up though, another thing that makes this machine very unique is the fact that we have a variable RPM. So we can go all the way from 400 RPMs all the way down to 80 RPMs. So it goes either way. And we can stick a single plate on there, or a single dry plate, so it really acts like a wet as well. So again, this is a machine that you can take into a house and use start to finish on the project. So this is the motor itself, and everything. This is kind of the brain of the machine a little bit. But what that's going to do is that's basically going to sense how the floor is and direct more power down onto the floor itself. This machine is actually ran just like a regular buffer, in the sense that we don't have to run it in the upright position, but we can actually tilt it back, and so now we're actually just sanding the floor start to finish, just like a normal buffer.
Okay, great.
So a lot of guys have basically said, look, from a fatigue standpoint, this is a lot easier to run than a traditional big machine.
Yeah, absolutely.
And because of the random orbital effect, we can actually go in and we can do, as an example, wood that you're sanding on, if this was a hallway going this way, we can sand that very easily. We can get underneath that, in the pantries and some tight areas that other times would take a pretty long time.
Sounds good. You want to fire it up?
Absolutely. So we'll turn it on. There's a soft start. You can see it's pretty quiet.